Working on my 7th video today for my podcast. This is what you have so far, guys. 6 videos done, uploaded for you guys, teaching about maximizing Uber earnings as well as real-time content creation. If you look over here, we are at $161. Guess what? In 5 passengers. God damn, that feels good. The time is 4:13. That means I love you. Well, 143 is I love you. This is basically 4:13 p.m. I'm thinking about going towards Long Beach Airport again. But I want to show you something. In the background, I went ahead and recorded some footage. Hell yeah! You know why I'm laughing? Because, dude, this was the third. My bad, I was watching that. Look at this. I just recorded and took some pictures of Long Beach right now and the coastline to post for my community. That is just gorgeous. Look at that. This is Long Beach. And then, of course, I shot a little video too. And got to take a picture of my baby. But none of this is possible without the Highlander. Look at that. It is just a beautiful day right now. And whenever I take videos, I do close-ups and I do wide shots, right? So this is the wider one, and then I do vertical. Here's some vertical pictures, vertical video, close-up, as well as more pictures and a wider shot vertically. So basically that's all I shoot. If you look over here, let's go back here. That's it. So 2 videos at a time. Close-up, wide, horizontally. Close-up, and wide. This one is vertical, this one is vertical, this one is horizontal, this one is horizontal, right? And then you understand the pictures at the same time. That's it. Now I'm literally gonna back these up and put them in the folder where we were at, and I don't have to worry about the next customer, because on the next customer it's gonna start with the pictures right here, so I know exactly where I'm at. Go here, we're gonna put them right here, skip. You guys know the drill. Boom. Now everything is updated, good to go. And when I see a picture like this in my folders, it just basically lets me know that I don't have to worry about starring anything, and I can find it. Now we're gonna put some gas in the car and take a look at Uber. Let's see what Uber has to offer. Make sure all my preferences are on. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we're good to go. I will keep you posted. Get some gas, I'm gonna get some food, and probably end up somewhere. I'm hoping get 15 bucks, 15, 20 bucks, because it's 4 o'clock, right? Basically, around 5 or 6 is gonna pick up. So probably wanna be at Long Beach. Hey, let's double check that. Let's make sure where I wanna be. Now I'm actually gonna position myself. Where do I wanna be? And at what time? Look at that, 1 flight coming in. Sorry guys, it's kind of funny. Okay, there you go. 5 o'clock, 2 flights, no. 6 o'clock, 3 flights, no, 7. So 7 is the magic number. If I can, come on, look, you know exactly what I'm gonna say right now. 500 S&P 500, and you can't even tell me how many flights are coming right here. Look, hey Uber, can you have one of your algorithms or tech guys move this thing up so we can see what's going on? I mean, this is embarrassing, guys. Not for me, for you guys. Because I can't see how many flights are coming. Look. Like, I can't see how many flights are coming. How am I supposed to drive as a driver? Bugs after bugs after bugs. Anyways, I'm thinking by 7, Long Beach is good, so we have 3 hours. But let's check LA. Maybe we should be in LA. Los Angeles is showing 6 o'clock. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to go to... Okay, same issue here. I think we're going to go that way because there's more flights coming in. And yeah, I think we're just going to go towards LA. We're done with Long Beach. We're done with Long Beach. And I think this is the way I'm going to go. I think I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go along here and go like this. And then end up there. Just take my sweet little time. And I think on this route, there's a possibility of getting somebody here. We're going to visit Donald Trump golf course right here. Sun setting is going to be just a beautiful drive. And if not, maybe I might get somebody Anyways, my point is this: 1, 2, 3, end up here by 6 o'clock, and get some gas and get something to eat. So in order to do that, the easiest way to do it is stop this and tell it to take me to Trump Golf Course. Trump, TRUMP, National Golf Course. There you go. How far are you? Not bad. 22 minutes, 12 miles, and hopefully I can pick somebody up on the way. If not, we'll get some good pictures and videos if I can get there in time, because the sun's going to be setting. All right. I'll keep you posted. Who knows? Maybe we get lucky on our way. And if we don't, we basically got to get to LAX by 6 o'clock. And I still have, my goal was at least 230. So I think I have 70. Yeah, I have around $70 to go. And it's Friday. It's going to pick up at night anyways. I should be able to hit 70. All right. You know what's interesting is the clouds are showing up here, right? Like, we got the clouds, we got the $3 signs, but it just doesn't want to offer anything. I just find that strange. Like, why have the clouds there if there's no passengers here? It just makes no sense to me. And this is why I keep saying it's a broken algorithm. The algorithm is greedy, and the people behind the algorithm are greedy. And they're making millions, they're making billions. And we need to stop it. And the way we stop it is by cherry picking and driving nice and slow. Remember, today's theme, if you forgot, let me show you. It is right here. Did I put it here? Yeah. Slow it down. Slow it down. I command, instruct, and direct my mind, body, and soul to be in perfect alignment with God and with the universe. And what that basically means is, you just command it. This is what I'm learning as a spiritual person. You command your health to be in perfect alignment with perfection, and God can do it. And you want to align yourself with that timeline. You want to do it with your wealth, and then you want to do it with your relationships. Health, wealth, relationships. That's it. This is basically the best thing I like about driving Uber is every red light, every stop sign, I just start recording videos now and always have something to talk about. Right now we're focusing on Uber. Pretty soon I'm going to be working on spirituality. Gotta go. Let me teach you another trick about content creation. Right now I'm recording, right? By the time I'm done recording, oh, it's a green light. Basically, shit, I can't do it. Hang on. What did I say? Right when I leave, it's going to give me something. What is it? I can't even see Uber. Yeah, look at that. Confirmation. Right when I leave the area, it wants me to go back and pick up somebody. Remember that, fellas. Even with bad audio, that was worth it, right? When I left Long Beach, and there's no way for me to turn around and come back, this stupid app offered me $11. $3.50 priority. Now, what am I supposed to do? Accept that and go back from the bridge? There's no way I can go back from this bridge, right? So I'm telling you, it's a broken, dumb algorithm, right? While I was there, it could have given it to me, but it waited till I got on the bridge. I'm gonna pull over and look at this real fast. $3.50, $10. I pick up someone, take them back to Long Beach. Yeah, so this is cool. So this is a good spot. It's been popping up. $10 here, $3 here. Someone needs to go to the other side. Let me show you what that ride was showing. Now, earlier I was on the other side of Long Beach, right, where the dollar signs are. I can't do that because if I try to draw on it, it's not gonna work, right? Right when I was leaving to get on the bridge, it was offering me $11. Now I'm over here, it's offering me $11 to go back. So I'm almost thinking just going back and forth on the bridge might not be a bad idea. Another thing to note is Uber was taking this route to go to Trump National Golf Course, right? I took an exit on Harbor and came this way because look, this is just like what I was teaching you guys earlier when you hug the mountain. Well, there's no mountains over here, right? So here you're gonna hug the water. Just hug the water, go like this, just drive along the along the ocean, and at some point you're gonna come back and go on the main road. Most drivers are gonna take the Uber navigation and go like this if they were even doing this route, right? So I believe this is a hot zone. This is all really good area. Let's see. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. I might be right, but I think there's a $15-20 ride sitting over here, right? And it's only gonna give it to you if you leave. If you stay here, it's not gonna give it to you. I gotta get gas and I gotta get some snack. I'm kind of getting hungry because I don't want to eat McDonald's like yesterday. So we're gonna keep going this way and see what happens. There was a $7.66 ride with multiple stops. Maybe it would have turned into $10, but not gonna do it. We're gonna keep driving towards Uncle Trump. So I did hug, I did try it. It's showing 3 clouds, but maybe there's more drivers here. Well, went to the market, put my sweatshirt on. It's only $1.50, but nothing. Hugging the mountain didn't work. $5, $6, $10. I'm looking for at least 15 bucks, so I'm gonna keep moving. Oh yeah, the trick I wanted to show you earlier, but the light turned green. This is what I want to show you. Let's say I'm talking to you and I'm explaining something, right? The next time I go and I pause it, watch, I'm gonna pause it right now. The next time I start recording, notice it's zoomed out and my face has moved, right? This is basically what I do. I'm gonna pause it again, watch. Now I'm recording again and you're seeing a different screen. So this is basically what I do. I start recording, talk about something, pause, start recording, talk about something, turn my camera on, just kind of mix it up, right? Then if I paused again, basically it will go to this screen, right? If I pause again, basically it'll go back to this screen, right? If I pause again, it'll basically go back to this screen, right? Sometimes I have my face on, sometimes I have my face off, and this is basically how I edit. Literally, I'm recording and I'm editing at the same time. Now you know. Now you know. So if I'm gonna pause, the next time I unpause, I already know that I don't want it to be the same shot, right? I want something to be slightly different. So it's gonna be wider, my face is gonna move, and it's almost like recording and editing at the same time. There you go, see? Zoomed out, I have something else to show you, and this is how we do it. Now I've stopped teaching. Now I'm gonna go drive, make some money. Oh my goodness, $3. Woo! See, I wouldn't show you these, but because it popped up as I was leaving, I was like, well, might as well show you this. Now, some of you love taking these $3 rides. God bless you guys. Okay, I stopped to explain something to you guys right now. Where I'm at on the Uber driver app, I want you to notice something. At least 10 or 15, 3, 5, 6, 8, $12 rides came, meaning I was right in what I was talking about. If we go over here and we look, another one just popped up, look. So I am right in what I'm saying. Hug the corner, like right here, I've just driven around and stayed at this edge for a little bit. I literally have had 10 or 15, $3, $6, $8, $10 rides, right? Now I'm not gonna take it, but I'm just letting you know. See, there's another one right now. So it's blowing up. Sometimes when it starts doing this, what I do is I go here and I just turn it off. I just say it's not worth it, but it'll still do it on Comfort. It'll still do it on UberX, because this is why I say with the algorithm's broken. We're gonna keep going. Wherever that fake surge is gone. But we're gonna keep going and we're gonna try to get to LAX now. Now I'm gonna go a little bit faster. I still have to get gas, by the way. I pulled over because it's going crazy. Yeah, it's just literally going crazy right here. So I was right in my theory. If I came here like an hour later, I probably will get somebody. Now it's showing the fake surge over there. It's showing the fake surge over there, but I'm right about this area. There's at least 15, 20 rides it offered me, but they're just crap. There you go, another one, right? And it's doing that while I'm driving. So you have to just say no to all of these until you can eventually get one that's gonna be $15, $20, unfortunately. Now I'm gonna put the algorithm in timeout. Look, I'm gonna turn it off. I wanna make sure my settings are correct. Yeah, okay, fair enough. It's in timeout. We're close to the surge. I'm hoping it builds a little bit because one more driver is gone while I'm getting gas. And you guys want some nuts in your mouth? This is my favorite joke. You want some nuts? Do you want some nuts? You guys want some nuts? I love nuts in my mouth. I'm not gay, by the way, but I make gay jokes. And I like gay people. They're nice, they're kind. They actually give some of the best tips, just so you guys know. Gay and lesbian people. I don't know where they're at. LGBTQ, I forget, but they're very nice people.